Science traditionally is a visual subject. Problems are started by drawing a diagram before starting any math. Experiments are conducted by observing an interaction and then deriving data from it. No matter how it is performed, science relies on visual clues to be performed. This visual aspect can make it more difficult for students who have visual disabilities to perform science in the classroom and in the lab. There is a solution to this problem. Students at the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater have been working to design tools that can help these students learn science using 3D modeling software and a 3D printer. Objects are first designed or calculated in a 3D modeling program, such as AutoCAD or MATLAB. Next, the output file from those programs is uploaded to a website. A remote user can then download the file to their local computer and transfer the file to their 3D printer, which produces the object out of plastic. Objects have been chosen that frequently appear in physics texts. When designing objects, it is important to only include the most relevant details for clarity and ease of construction and interpretation. Already there are a variety of items, such as a braille slate, a pulley system, and objects created from several mathematical functions. All of these 3D printable objects are freely available for download from Dr. Steven Sayun's website to download and print. The slate has been designed to produce an 8-dot braille set rather than the traditional 6-dot set. The use of 8-dot patterns allows for 256 unique characters, whereas the usual 6-dot set only allows for 64 characters. These extra characters make it possible to write mathematical and scientific functions in a compact way, such as that used with the Gardner-Salinas Braille code. To download any of the tactile learning objects, simply go to www.sayun.net/3dphys.php, or just go to the link in the description below. The site has a description of the objects, the original AutoCAD and MATLAB code used to create the objects, the 3D models saved as zipped archives.zip, which contain one or more files in a stereolithography.stl format, which can then be imported directly into most 3D printing software, such as Dremel Idea Builder files, .3Dremel. To extract the .stl or .3Dremel files, double-click the file. After these files have been extracted, the objects need to be imported into 3D slicing and printing software, such as Ultimaker Cura, Slicer, or Dremel Idea Builder. In these programs, the object may be resized so that they print at the correct scale. Objects requiring precise scaling to correctly size braille text can be done easily because for those objects, we have incorporated centimeter markings into the object's design. Once scaled to an appropriate size, the file is sent to the 3D printer to be produced out of a plastic. The plastic is usually PLA type and is extruded through a heated printhead onto a surface. The object is built up by the printer by drawing successive image layers. Because it is so easy to get these objects, anyone who has access to a computer and a 3D printer can print them off. We hope to spread these objects around to as many people as we can so that we can help the greatest number of students possible.